big one. Yeah. Look at it.
Whoa! Oh, it's coming out!
Oh my god.
Wrong direction, brother. Scorpion.
Whoa, this is a big scorpion. Next to the spider. Oh, they are about to fight.
Oh, oh. We finally found a male.
Whoa.
Did he just ask for a fruit? And the orangutan gave him one? We get to the second location. It's a research location for plants. Let's have a look. We got to a little restaurant. Here's the kitchen. I think this is a fish pond, but no fish. This is the water they drink and use for cooking. And these houses here, yeah,
You don't have water, you don't have electricity.
nothing.
Nothing.
Just a house built of wood. There are signs everywhere because people plant their own trees to give something back to the jungle.
To create a new one. We heard that the biggest enemy of the wildlife here is the human.
I want to plant the papung. I got my tree. Let's plant it. Right now we are planting the papung tree. Its fruits can be eaten by the orangutan. So hopefully one day there will be orangutans around eating the fruits from my tree. We did it! Yeah! This is the tree. Let's go! We got our lunch. Fish, zucchini, more fish, rice and vegetables. Nice!
Cheers.
Jungle cocktail. We got back to the first spot and now we're going to the orangutan platform to watch orangutan eating fruit. All over this place there are nests in the trees. Yeah, they're basically orangutan nests. There. Tropical weather. Still no orangutan.
Yeah, other way.
So we're just leaving. Yeah, we're not lucky today, but we're still happy.
Yes. It was a small hike for us.
Yeah.
Workout.
Workout. We're leaving. We were lucky enough to find an orangutan on the way. Orang means human, and utan, jungle. Our timing is perfect. There are two more. We left the feeding platform just to see 5 orangutans chilling in the trees on our path. Did he just ask for a fruit? And the orangutan gave him one? Yeah. Our guide is talking to the orangutan. What is he doing?
Throwing.
Oh,
Stick.
throwing the stick.
I missed that some food.
Hey. Oh, He's throwing the fruits. Look, he's just threw the fruit. Oh no, he's throwing the stick. Oh no.
No. Buah.
He understands it.
Boleh. Hey.
Is his name Molly?
Mau.
Molly.
He is shaking the tree. For the other orangutan to come over.
No way.
Look. Wow, he's so big.
Buah, minta buah.
Yes. Terima kasih. Right now we're exploring the jungle at night. We do a night hike. Found like a spider hiding inside a leaf because it was raining. A big cricket and a blue and red spider.
Whoa, what's that?
Whoa!
Spiders. You see big spiders.
This is like a jellyfish upside down.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see the spider.
There. Whoa, what's this? What kind of spider is this? Odd spider. It's so noisy here. Just because of the animals. We found a glowing mushroom.
Can you see it? No.
Can you see it on the camera? Look at the glowing mushroom. Oh, this stick. Look at this little friend. Look at him.
It's beautiful.
He's just chilling.
Rufous baking fishery.
This is the biggest ant I have ever seen in my life. We
It was
found
huge.
the nest.
And
Look at this one.
nest. This one is older than 100 years, and this still strong.
This is an ironwood tree, right?
Yeah. It's almost like this.
Yeah.
Maybe the queen like this.
Wow.
This is big spider. Really big spider. This is his big nest. Oh, look at his fang. Oh, wow. Okay, I have to stop. Maybe he want to jump to me. Yeah.
Safari time, amigo.
Never try, never know, brother.